Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. You can see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. I'm sure you guys are going to love this one. This is coming from Juylux. There we go. Smart Life, Smart Music Sync Gaming Light Bars. These are really cool. Definitely can't wait to open this one up and show you guys. RGB. You can use it for your computer desk, your TV. Here we go. Ooh, baby. We got a nice long USB Type-C. Yeah, that's a nice long size. I'm not sure. I'll figure out where to stick it. But definitely check them out, guys. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, oh yeah, add it to your cart now. And check out. Here's bulb number 1. So you get 2 of them. Bam. That's nice. This is definitely something new. USB goes there. Here's the second one. And never had one of these yet, so should be interesting. Ooh. Now here is power, memory. Like I said, there's an app for it. You could use the app. Very nice. And program it through that way, or you could just use normal. Oh, there we go. Alright. Keep this all in the box. Alright, guys. Let the fun begin now. There we go. We got it. Here's a base stand. Got 1, 2. Should be easy peasy. No? Oops. Come on. Don't be shy. I think I got it. And then same with this one. USB. I think this is. Maybe it goes like that. Yeah. Okay. Did it the wrong way. There we go. This makes sense. Make sure the USB is like there. And then, bada boom. These are pretty cool. Alright, let's see how this works now. I think I plug one plug to another plug. So we go down here, plug that into there, and so basically with the smart app is going to be the same thing. Just going to plug it in, and you can use your phone as a remote control, adjust this lighting I'll just plug this right now into a normal USB slot. I got one open right here. A lot of USBs. Okay. Oops. That way. Boom. Whoa. These are nice. Oh yeah. Sound responsive. That's pretty cool. Whoa. Alright, let me shut the lights off. You guys can see what it looks like. Oh yeah, these are bright. Definitely check these guys out if you guys are interested in getting some. Whoa. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Whoa. Got the fire. That is really cool. Yeah, see how bright these are? You can dim it. All that good stuff. Oh yeah. There's a standard mode. But you can have it like this way. I think most people have it facing like this. But right now I'm doing just for the video. Like this way. And power off. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, this is definitely good for gaming. And like I said, the app's really easy. It's a Smart Life app. Just download it, connect to the Wi-Fi, and you're all set with that. Time USB, 4 music mode, 10 scene mode, Tua app control. Yeah, it's called Tua is an app. Or you can use your Smart Life app, which I use a lot of devices with the Smart Life. Yeah, Smart Life, Tua, Android 5.0, iOS 10.0, 2.4 gigahertz. So there's a lot you could choose from. So 4 music modes, off and on, switch light mode. So all your choices, guys. Like I said, all you gotta do is click that link down below, add this to your cart, and check them out. That is really cool. I'm liking these. It's small, easy to put in a TV stand or somewhere in your room on the side of your computer desk. But definitely check them out. You guys will be very happy with this purchase. So, alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. And hopefully see you guys tomorrow. And until then, be safe, take it easy, and see you soon.